lang yung ahas. Buhok mo yung ahas eh. Bubble gum mo man din.
Malak yung dalot lang mo.
Lamig talaga nun. Thank you. Nari janela to janela. Ikaw muna naman ako.
Walling!
Tapos bigla nabuksan yung pinto na.
Nabaliw sa akin.
Kung makapag-walling mo ba?
Pinag-usapan niyo ba yun? Si Steph mga si Steph.
Basta makikita mo din. Kunin mo natin yung kanyang kasama.
Siyang gusto mo rin. Ikaw nga rin.
Gusto ko si Charlie. Sakit nun sa lihat.
Yung labi niya, Charlie,
Nasa ulo na yung ahas.
siya kasi Medusa.
Snake lang. Snake lang.
Isa pa pala ang kamali ko. Dapat pala hindi ma-stop ang paa mo sa ano, sa snow. Lalamig din sa science.
Parang malamig na mainit ng tambay.
Sa Lidari, gumagawa ng apoy eh.
Oh my God!
Ay, no. Ano mo na nga, G?
OMG ka na lang.
Ano mo na nga, G?
OMG!
Ano nga, G? Oh my God. Ano nga, G? Enjoy. Dapat ko na, ay, no. Ay, ang arte. Ang arte.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Step. Dapat ikaw yung nanay.
Ikaw na yung finale.
Dora.
Dami na ginagawa.
Rose na.
Penale.
Bad.
Ang na yun. Dami libag. Ayan. Like a cheese.
Halika na yun yung ahas. Ang kapit. It takes time.
It takes time.
Yes.
I noticed that there were some of you na marami pa rin inhibitions sa katawan. Okay? Kung mag-a-act ka on stage, you don't care anymore how you look. I noticed that some of you were still conscious on how they look on stage. Baka panic ako, baka pinatatawa ng itsura ko, baka maraming inhibitions. Okay? Kaya reserve yung mga iba sa pagkilos nila. Tapos I noticed some kumukuha ng direksyon. Okay? Like, ano ba dapat kong gawin? Ma'am! Diba? Parang tinitignan pa ako, Ma'am! Ano ba dapat? Kikilos ba ako? Mag-move na ako? Forward na ba ako? You're not supposed to do that on stage. But mag-perform kayo and directions are given before the performance. But when you're on stage, you are on your own. Kasi huwag lang makalimutan niyo yung direksyon, gagawin niyo ang tama. Okay? By the way, another thing that is important, okay, another requirement is intelligence. Lahat ng stage performers matatalino. Okay? I don't know how you will try to understand the word matalino. But one, on stage, should not get any direction at all from anyone else, but he knows and he should know what to do on stage. Okay, once you're there, you're on your own. No more direction. So you don't have to look at the director anymore. You don't have to look at the advisor anymore, but you're supposed to. You're on your own. You can do anything. Okay? If you could still recall, I told you, wala kayong dialogue, wala akong binigay sa inyong dialogue. Feel free to say whatever you want. Yung mga iba, tinaan nyo na sa, snakes! Para lang malaman na snakes. Nagpudot! Para lang malaman namin na nagpudot. But even if you will not tell us that, kung ina-act out ninyo, malalaman namin kung ano nangyayari sa inyo eh. If you're showing us na nilalapit kayo, alam namin na malimig yung mundo ninyo. If you're showing us na kainitan kayo, you don't have to tell us na mainit sa mundo. Okay? We will know. We will know kahit walang dialogue. Nakapanood na ba
Walang choice.
Si, ano ba yung Three Stooges no, na nagtutupot ng babatukan ng sina. And Mr. Bean has, you know, yung mga show na wala naman siyang dialogue eh. Okay? Pero he's able to show us yung mga gusto na i-deliver sa atin. Okay? Another thing that has to do with intelligence, okay, knowledge. When Sharon Cuneta was asked to do the movie Pasan Ko Ang Daigdig, you know that? The character was, most of the time, had to carry on her shoulders yung nanay. But who knows Sharon Cuneta? She was born with a silver spoon sa mouth niya. That's an idiomatic expression which says,
Yeah.
mayaman siya. And how could she